Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Muhammad Zikri, and on this occasion I will present a storytelling video entitled The Ugly Duckling. One day in the countryside, there is an animal farm. In the farm, there lived a mother duck. The mother duck was seen incubating her eggs. She incubated the eggs patiently and lovingly until a few days passed when the eggs hatched. The mother duck had 7 eggs, 6 of which hatched perfectly, while the other one still hatched. The duck mother looked forced to see the eggs. She decided to go back to incubating the eggs. And the next day, the duck eggs hatched. But the duck's mother was again confused because her child was different from her other children. Her child, it has a rougher leg body and is gray in color. With its brothers and sisters are other have small bodies and are yellow. Because they are different from their siblings. This duckling is also ostracized by his brothers and sisters. Even he is called the only one by his brothers and sisters. Feeling sad, this duckling went to escape the swamp and lived alone until winter came. Because in winter the duckling was cold and it was difficult to find food because of the heavy snow. Until soon a farmer came. The farmer looked sad, saw the duckling who was cold and hungry. So the farmer decided to take him home and give him food and shelter. But the duckling caused to flee into the cave for fear of the noisy farmer children. When spring arrived and the duckling had grown up, then he saw a flock of geese in the lake. Then the duckling approached the flock of geese and they turned out that the flock of geese welcomed the duckling well. But what made the duckling surprised was when they saw his reflection of the surface of the water and realized he was not a duck but he was a beautiful swan. Then they joined the flock of geese and flew with his new family. The moral message in this story is, we can never cause who our parents are, under what circumstances we are born. But what is certain is that each person is unique because each has advantages and disadvantages that are not the same as one another.